Hello, welcome to Learn Haitian Creole. This is going to be our last video on rooms in a house, and today we're covering dining room, which is Salamanje. Chandelier is Chandelier. That light in the ceiling is Chandelier. 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 The curtains, okay, they're called Rido, okay, Rido, Rido. Table is tab, okay, tab, tab. The legs, the table's legs are called pied tab, okay, tab. Tablecloth is nap, okay, like when you're taking a nap, okay, nap. Nap. Another way to say tablecloth is tapi, tapi, but I think tapi is mostly used when the table cover is plastic, and then nap is used more when it's cloth. Chair is chèz, okay, chèz, chèz. So the cushion is called Kousen, okay, Kousen. Like the car seats, okay, we call them Kousen machine, okay, Kousen. So if there's a door to your dining room, okay, I know we've covered this before, but if there's a door, we call it porte, okay, porte. In case there's a window, I know in Haiti, the dining rooms have windows, they're called Fenèt, okay, Fenèt, Fenèt. So for plates or dishes, we say assiette, okay, assiette or plat, assiette or plat. For dishes that are made of porcelain, we say Asyèt Fayans, Asyèt Fayans. If it's plastic, we say assiette plastique. If it's paper, we say assiette carton. A spoon is Kiyè. Okay, Kiyè, Kiyè. A knife is Kouto, okay, Kouto. When you cut, you say coupe, okay, cut is coupe. So, coupe viande, cut meat, okay, Kouto. A fork is Fouchèt, okay, Fouchèt, Fouchèt. A placemat is Soupla, okay? Sou means under, okay? And then the Plat is the plate, okay? Soupla, Soupla. So you will most likely find this one in Haiti. I actually bought this one in Haiti. This is a plate cover, okay? Kouvre Plat, okay? Not sure if I spelled it correctly, but Kouvre Plat. So a place setting. You see how they have the plate, the glass, the utensils, all set up. This is Kouvè, okay? Kouvè, Kouvè. So in case you have a hallway in your house, I'm not sure if I covered this before, but a hallway is a Koulwa, okay? Koulwa, Koulwa. This one belongs in the kitchen, but I forgot it in the kitchen video, so here it is, okay? A strainer is Paswa, okay? Paswa, Paswa. So I want to thank you again for watching this video. If you think I missed anything covering homes, like rooms in a home, items you find at a home, please do let me know, and I'll try to make another one. Also, if you like this video or you found any of our other videos useful, feel free to subscribe to this channel, or you can also like us on Facebook. Thank you. Lastly, if you're looking for text or if you want to play some games where you can practice your Haitian Creole, I have a few games there and I plan on create a few more. Feel free to visit us at learnhaitiancreole.com.